Hi guys, today a little bit for new drivers. I make a little notes because I will not remember everything and I will forget. This way I will be keep checking the list. Basically, new driver, don't rush. I know you have timetables, the times, just telling you to keep going on the duty because people be late and everything. But you need to remember, you don't have experience. All new drivers have a crash in the first 3 months because they're rushing, they're speeding, they're overconfident, they're thinking they know everything already, but it's not. Take your time. Nobody tell you if you're late. Better late than have a crash and somebody will be hurt. And what do? It's not worth it. Take it easy. And I telling to everybody same story non-stop. If it's busy, then wait. Company is paying you per hour, not per mile. Take it easy. Next one is really common and really coming as well to the first one. Because you're late, you try catch up the time. You're speeding, you're breaking the law, you go through the red lights to just catch up with the time what you have on the paper, on your duty. Don't do that. Putting yourself on the risk in your license and you can lose the job and you can hurt somebody. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Think how much time and effort you do to get this license. Now you can lose it that really easy because of rushing, of your speeding, and again situation different can happen. Very obvious for me, and I don't know why. All new drivers, I think, overconfident and they thinking they know everything. But you don't know, my friend. You really don't. There's plenty drivers with a massive experience in this basically company. I don't say I'm in this group, but I keep learning, and it's easy just to say hi and ask. Talk to people. Don't sit on a table somewhere on the side and hide. Nobody kill you, nobody do anything to you. We all in the same wheel. We are the team and we carry these buses. All the drivers can give you many different ideas to solve the issue what you can have. Help you with any different situations. Million situations can happen. Diversion, you don't know all the routes name. They can explain you. Another thing is how to use, for example, ticket machine, whatever. What to do when you passengers tell you this or that. What do you want to do to share experience? What do you do? Next one is controllers. Any issue what you have, you need to call controller and tell them. You can go away from the route without telling them. If you do that, you can have a big trouble. Company is paying you to follow the routes and times, and you need to do it. If you not follow, they have a procedure what they need to do. If you still don't do, you lose the job. Then I don't know if it's worth it. But many times there are lots of diversions. If you're not sure about diversion, you can call controller. They can explain you. If you still don't know, they tell you right, left, whatever. If you don't know the route names. I don't know everything. Nobody know everything. Then sometimes the driver or call controller and follow the diversion. How? Because you can have a big trouble. Some of the routes cannot take the buses. Too narrow. Trees, bridges. Lots of can happen. Calling controllers regarding problems with the passengers or bus or route. Anything of that, they dare to help you. Nobody do to you if you let them know early. Because if you do yourself, if you make a decision and they don't want to do it, you can have a big trouble. All the time inform them and later you don't have any trouble. You're late, call them, another bus overtake me, and they tell you. They can make lots of different decisions. They can tell you transfer people, for example, to another bus. Put yourself out of service and catch up with your time when you're around this time where you should be. or carry on the duty. It's not my decision. They making decisions and they putting everything into the computers. Anything can happen when you're out of the route, to the people, to the boss. You're in the trouble. No, them. You are. Because you're not follow the simple rules. Then remember, don't worry and don't stress. Something happen, call them, let them know, and they tell you what you should do. Everybody, and we all the same, have a stress. I myself, what I find it, the easiest way to push this away is to talk with another driver. Just tell them. Some of the people can hear it, some of them not. You find out who is what. But share the information. Share them stress. They share it to you, and this way you'll be more calm. Put yourself come back to the normal. Sometimes you need to just talk about this stuff, what's happened to somebody. If you don't want to talk with the driver, you can contact controller. Tell to them you have problem. You need to talk with somebody, with any specialist. Company have the people who they know what to do, and you don't lose the job or something like this. You lose the job if you be stressed and you make something silly. Talk to the people, talk to the driver, or talk to the controllers if you need any help. For the card users, there's a long story, and I tell you this way. I know I'm repeating myself, but don't worry about them. Drive slowly and safety. Nobody in the bus will hurt, and you don't crash to anybody. Bus doesn't drive anyways fast. All the cars overtaking you, making all these bad maneuvers, jump on the front of you where you're supposed to, in your space, on your braking space. Is lots of situation. We're driving every day many hours. Each minute we're making many different decisions to drive safe and avoid any crash what people in the cars creating. And sometimes you cannot avoid it, and sometimes you have the crash, and then you need to follow the rules. That's it. If you have this crash eventually, you need to contact, depends situation, your house train, police, fire brigade, ambulance. I don't know. I hope so nobody will have this situation, but you need to know what to do in case any problems. Then if you contact any services, what you need to do, in the next one you need to contact controller and let them explain them what's happened. Last thing, what you need to do, exchange the details with the driver or drivers, I don't know, it depends. Company is in every controller and give you the card. It's simple, and everything is there. Then you don't lose it. You don't forget, because in the shock sometimes you can forget to ask about simple information. There you have everything ready. Every controller have this on the in the office. You can pick up and have this in case anything happen. Then basically one piece of the paper, because it's two pieces. One of the pieces basically you're holding, and another one you give to the another part to the driver. And that's it basically about the accidents. Is just quickly to let you know basically there's like these forms available to make life easy, and don't forget some informations. And when you have an accident, if you find basically who is what, or sometimes you cannot find the owner of the vehicle, remember, don't put yourself on the trouble. You can drive away if you don't find anybody. If you hit, for example, parking vehicle, you can drive away, but you need to inform police. That's the easiest way. You can do it this online. Go on the police website and there report it. Putting everything, what you know, reg of the vehicle, where was the vehicle, what you was driving, your name, and all the details to inform the police you have incident. Then you will not get any problems in the future. Because if you don't inform them, if they find out who was driving the bus, You can get landed later with the points and a fine in the court because you don't inform them. You was hiding like chicken. But that is just quickly about that. Remember, passengers all the time try to make you pressure on your head. They try to make charge on you. Remember, you the boss of the bus, you the driver, and nobody can tell you basically to stop there, or if it's no bus stop, or let them in where it's not bus stop, because eventually people losing the jobs when they dropping people not in right places, because people have a later eye incidents and they reporting to the office, later investigation, and you done because you illegally dropping the people in not right place. Remember, is really you need to follow that, because is the box place need to be safe, is market, bus stop, flag post need to be there, not somewhere else in the middle of the road. Of course, if it's a parked vehicle there, what doesn't supposed to be parked there, many times it's like that. You need to find the closest place what is safe to drop the people from the bus. Basically, it's like all the time I saying to everybody, how you come to the work. If you're grumpy, if you're not happy, all your day will be like that, because people will see this. They come into the bus and they see it. They see you sitting grumpy sausage on the seat and don't say anything and telling £2 a ticket. All your journey and people be the same to you. All the journey will be nightmare and all your day will be like that. Remember, you come into the bus. Make yourself happy. Forget about any problems. Make yourself happy. I don't know. Read the joke, whatever. Make a smile on his face. I tell you this way, people are grumpy, lots of problems later with the people. People are rude to them. Is many situations can be a say, but it's nothing nice. I keep going and I try and be nice to the people and happy. And really, my situation in the bus with the people, basically, I can count for the oldest time what I driving, basically, maybe few on one hand. But that was basically after alcohol. They don't know what they do. They was drunk. And they don't control themselves. But the situation was really easy to manage, and because all the people was helping, because that I was nice to them. If I was angry, I was upset, nobody will really help me, because people will see, oh, why I should help him if he's like that to me. Easy. All the things is turning, coming back quickly. Bus is small and you need the hand, you need the help. The people are there to help you, everywhere around you. Don't put yourself away from the circle. Bye.